Hey guys, welcome to your video YouTube channel Success Sequence, where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So in line with past market data, what we have analyzed in our yesterday's video was that the market has received support near 55 days exponential moving average. This kind of move did suggest that the market has a tendency to go on a high side. So if you can see, the in spite of that bearish crossover, market did generated a good gap up move, and also it was able to sustain and close above its 8 days simple moving average, thus invalidating its bearish crossover. Now, if market holds on to this particular level, 10,721 could be the next target and the resistance level as well. 10,800 could also be seen if market is able to sustain at a high level, but most likely 10,783 three level will act as a strong resistance for the market. If it is able to break this particular level, then only we can expect a final target of 10,838, and if this particular level is also holds, then we can definitely see the target of 10,900 again. So this kind of move should be there. And if you have seen my videos in past couple of days, by the before the start of the June series, I have mentioned that the market will receive support near 10,500 and will face resistance near 10,800. So accordingly, we have shorted 10,500 put and shorted 10,800 call. So that particular strategy has been giving us a good return. So let us see how far this particular strategy take us. What I feel is, again, 10,800 should come, and near this particular level, most precisely 10,783, market will feel resistance again, and it will again come down. Okay, so that was my analysis for the Nifty. If you analyze the option chart data for the Nifty, you will see that just a second. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so option chart data for the Nifty is 10,600 to 11,000 is a broad option activity range. On the call side, we can see a fresh creation of bullish position, and on the lower side, we can see a put writing. So again, stable to bullish kind of move is expected from the market, and 10,800 and 10,700 kind of level will act as a resistance as of now. If you see the technical indicators, all the technical indicators are trading near its exponential averages. If this particular level gets broken, I mean the break in exponential average, then you can definitely see a good gains. So that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So also in my previous video, I did suggested that the Bank Nifty has also received a good rejection near its 21 days exponential moving average, and I have categorically mentioned that the 21 days exponential moving average has been acting as a support for this particular indices. To be precise, um, if you see this particular level, market is coming up, going down, again receiving support, goes up, comes down, again it went up, came down, and now you can see there is a green candle, which is you can see here. Now the problem with this particular move is that whenever the market receives support near its lower level, it needs to break above 8 days exponential moving average. Now in case of bearish crossover, market needs to close above 8 days simple moving average as well to invalidate the bearish crossover. So as of now, this has not happened, but I have a strong expectation that this particular move will extend, and definitely I think 26 630 should be on the chart. Now if this particular level gets broken, then 27,000 will be the most likely outcome of this particular rally. If you see the option chart data, 26,000 to 27,000 is the broad option activity range. On a call side, we can see a call writing on a lower side. 26,200 has been acting as a support, which we also observed in our previous video. On the put side, I can see a put writing, and on a higher side, put long covering. So again, call participants are expecting some sort of resistance with the 26,200 as a support, and put side are also expecting some sort of resistance on a higher side, but 26,400 is now expected as a support. So with this kind of move, I think the Bank Nifty should extend its rally, but watch out for the resistance level around 26,630. If market holds at this particular level, then it can also come down and again test its 21 days exponential moving average. But what I feel is, if market trades with the bullish formation and closes above 26,465, the final target for the Bank Nifty could be 27,000. If you see the technical indicator, MACD, CCI and RSI as of now is trading below its exponential moving average. But if this move extends and the and all this technical indicator breaks is exponential moving average, then you can definitely expect quick gain. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button. If you want to see or learn how I'm generating buy and sell signal, you can learn my system. Check out the video description, you will find a detailed link there. In case of any doubt, please mention in the comment section of the video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.